this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2016 Nissan X-Trail, stock number 6691. This ran from the 2nd 2014, the 1st 2017. It has an R9M 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is the R9M 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, and taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,